Good morning, students. How are you? Today we are going to do some exercises in code.org. Our learning objective to create a program using code.org. Success criteria: number 1, complete all lessons in code.org. Number 2, practice and learn more. Then create your own project. See, guys, the first success criteria, you're going to complete the lessons that you did not completed. Which lesson exactly? This is what I'm going to show you now. First, here how you log in, for example, 5BB. Let me log into the account. Usually if there is a logo here, guys, you can click on it. It will take you to code.org, or not, you can join any week of code.org. You will find login to code.org 5BB. Then you click on this image. Some students till today, they are confusing by clicking learn and practice more. Learn and practice more, guys, it will take you to learn and practice more for code.org. If you have you want to practice one of these games or coding or grades, you can select grade 2 to 5, which topics you want to search for: computer science only, art, language arts. These are how you going to do that. Okay, how to log into your account, guys. I mentioned to you before, you can go and click login to code.org account 5BB. Okay, or if you are using Safari, guys, you have to use Safari actually in your iPad or your computer. You can use Google Chrome. Directly it will show these links for you to log into, for example, to join me on the Zoom, or to log into code.org. Okay, for example, let's select Thani account and log into Thani account. I believe what is the pirate is photo. Then let me log in. Okay, when you log in, guys, you will see all the lessons from semester 1 and semester 2. What's required from you in semester 2, guys, to complete it for today? Okay, which lessons we have to complete? Lesson 3, see, Alien Dance Party, for example. Thani didn't complete it. He need to complete the lesson 3. This is what you need to do first, guys. You need to check which lessons that you didn't complete. What you need to check for semester 2, guys: 3, lesson 3, lesson 5, nested loop in maze. He didn't complete it as well, and he used long coding on 1 and 2. Doesn't show solid green. Then lesson 9, he didn't touch it. He didn't do anything. Lesson 9. Lesson 10, he completed fully. Very good. Then lesson 11 and lesson 12. Forget about the end course project. Okay, guys, means how many lessons we need to check that we completed? Lesson 3, lesson 5, lesson 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, if you don't know how to do one of these lessons, or you're stuck, for example, Thani stuck with the lesson 9, changing variables with B. How I can do it? For example, if you click here to complete it, then he's going to start to do this lesson. How to find the answers and how to do this and how to understand what he need to do. Okay, before I show you, he's gonna go where? Back to code.org. Then how I find lesson 9? Under the week number, guys, you will find the lesson number. Okay, for example, this is lesson 1, lesson 9, I mean. It's 2 parts actually, guys. We did it in week 21 and week 22. Okay, now he go to lesson 9. Then he can click here and watch the lesson, how to do it. Then he can skip exactly to the puzzle that he didn't do it. Okay, like this. Okay, puzzle 1. How I can do puzzle 1? The teacher is explaining now puzzle 1. If you don't stuck with puzzle 2, for example, you can skip the video to puzzle 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever. Okay, guys? See here, I show you some puzzles, then I go to puzzle 5. How we can do puzzle 5. Explain to you how to do the function in puzzle 5. Okay, guys? This is how you find any lesson. How you gonna do it. Okay? Now let's go back to code.org. For example, you're done with this lesson. You need to go and check the other lessons. What you're gonna do, click more. You will find all the lessons in code.org. For example, he did not completing lesson 11's practice 2 or puzzle 2. You're gonna click on it and start doing it. Then you click run. Then he starts playing with these things. Then in the end, you need to click what? Finish. Okay? Understand, guys, what you need to do? Okay. For example, all of you finish all the lesson required and all puzzles. What you're gonna do, guys? You have 2 things you can do. The first thing, you're gonna click learn more and practice more. This is, you're gonna practice any things you want. As well, there is something you can do in code.org. If you've done everything, you're gonna click in your name, then you go to my projects. Then I need you to start create your new project. You're gonna use Sprite Lab or Artist. Both of these 2 things we already learned how to use it. Forget about App Lab and Game Lab. We didn't practice for that during this semester. Okay, you're gonna click Artist or Sprite Lab. Sprite Lab, actually, we start learning how to use it. You can start adding things. Then you can give also a name for your project. You can name it any name you want. Then you click on the end in save. Okay. How you find this project later, guys? You can go to Thani here in my projects. Then if you go here, you will find the project that I created. But don't give it United Project. Please, I need you to rename the project. Okay, guys? This is some ideas. Okay? Here also public project. You can see some ideas. People create some project. You can take some ideas from it. Okay, guys? This is all for today. If you have any question, as usual, please contact me through Schoology. Happy Eid to everyone. See you after Eid, inshallah. Thank you. See you guys. Bye.